Fotokite system is essentially an aerial situational awareness tool for public safety. You don't need a 107 pilot's license, anyone can use it. It's very easily operative. By the time you get this set up, it's an electric plug-in. You have 2 minutes and you can have a bird's eye view instantly. And the ground station has your modem. It has everything that you need for operability to fly up in the air. And the tablet is what we use so that you can actually operate the system. And it pulls Wi-Fi connectivity, and that's what gives you essentially the view to see what's going on live stream. It also has recording, video, and photo footage. There's 2 cameras. Essentially, you have the color camera, and you also have an infrared camera. So the infrared camera is what you can view for whenever you are on scene at a fire. You can see where those hot spots are. And we have a new camera that's about to launch where you'll be able to read radio metrics. So not only do we support fire agencies, we work with EMS, we work with Department of Transportation agencies, law enforcement. So for example, we have a lot of highway operations where if there is a crash that happens, this is giving you the capability to see if there's anything outside of the scope at nighttime. That infrared camera will show you if there are people around, if there's anything that we need to search for, it'll give them that view.